Okay.
We chose Zen to do our windows after researching a number of different companies, and the process of being able to do your research online and then find a company that sells this brand like soft light windows that we were impressed with. Then just giving them the information online, they gave us a bid that was reasonable, and then they sent someone out to measure and gave us, confirmed the bid, and then the installers were fantastic and, did a really thorough job of cleaning up after themselves and finishing up the project. And already we've noticed it's warmer, less noisy, so we've been really impressed with the whole process.